two types of rods, mini and standard. First drilling second hole near first hole about 15 millimeters, taking drills 3 millimeter. You can use letter J on the back side. Now checking how it fits into bottom case. If hole right, it's okay. Cut extra length switch parallel to PCB. About 2 millimeters can left. Also may grind 1 or 2 millimeters from the right of the switch. Now placing PCB one more time into bottom case and look how it fits. If everything alright, fixing with small screws. You may cut some insulation from the central high voltage electrode. It will be needed in future. Now check rotation wheel. It must move the switch from the left to the right and from the right to the left. Very free. Taking the upper case and drill holes for the nuts. 4 holes, take drill 5.5 millimeters. Now place the nuts inside holes drilled before. It will be better to screw them down as much as possible. That will be better in future. But no problem if it will not screw to the down. Just better to screw them down. Now take the solder iron and tap the nuts inside the upper case as much to make them flat with the upper case. Alright, just erase some plastic that melts with the nuts around it. Now it's time to put the socket inside the hole in upper case. It may not fit immediately, so must increase diameter of hole just a little. Now it's okay, well done, it fits tightly. Now fix the socket with the screws. Now need to cover the socket with the safety case. It fits very tightly, but need to pull down as much as possible. It also could increase diameter of safety case for socket to make the tube fits inside to socket. With the inserted tube must connect high voltage output with the socket on the bottom of upper case. Then bend socket pins and may pull down the tube. Now solder all socket pins with each other. And if you have some hermetic or liquid electrical tape, you may isolate the socket pins, but not necessary. Just for more safety. Great, now may assemble the case with the screws. Sometimes high voltage cable is too long to place it. Then just rotate the case, but look around if high voltage cable touched the microphone, rotate another side. It must not touch. Functional part is over and time to decorate a bass with the metal grid. You may use your fantasy and cut the pieces, or look at video and cut same pieces, or look at photo, how you wish better. With the hot gun, just fix the grids inside plastic, not overheat, just to make it gluey to the plastic. But overheats may occur. Praise yourself, it's almost done. Pull the cap to the tuber or add-on if you have some scepter or house eye or any else, and may pull down the tube to the socket. Now just take power supply that comes with the kit US or Euro and connect to electricity and to the base. Your device should working. It have a switch on the base, so need to move it and change the modes. React to the music, always on or off. Now you see reacts to the music. Congratulations, you have completed, you have assembled it. Thank you for purchase, thank you for attention. Welcome back anytime.